There are many different types of work visas, and they kind of sound like an alphabet soup. H-1B, L-1A, L-1B, TN, etc., etc. Let's talk about some of the most popular ones and how you could be eligible. The H-1B is for specialty occupations, meaning the job requires at least a bachelor's degree in a specialized field or the equivalent in experience and training, and you have at least a bachelor's degree or the equivalent in education and training. The H-1B is generally considered like a high-tech kind of thing, but I've had H-1Bs in all kinds of different occupations that weren't technology related. So if your job requires at least a degree or about 4 years of education and training combined, you could get an H-1B. They're only available in limited amounts, and you have to apply for a lottery to get one of those visas. Those become available every March. But if you have a job opportunity in the United States that requires a degree, have your employer sponsor you for that H-1B lottery. It only takes $10. The next most popular types of visas are the L visas. An L-1A is for multinational managers and executives. An L-1B is for multinational specialized knowledge transferees. So if you work for a company with offices here in the United States and abroad, you could be transferred between that company abroad to the U.S. affiliate or subsidiary or parent as a manager and executive, and then you have a fast track to a green card, or as a specialized knowledge transferee if it would take too long to train an American to do the work that you already know how to do because you have special knowledge of that multinational's internal processes, marketplace, product, blah, 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 services. A TN visa is also very popular. It's part of the NAFTA agreement, so only Canadians and Mexicans are eligible and only for limited types of occupations. You can see our website for the type of occupations, but some of those occupations lists can be a little fuzzy and we can sometimes fit you into a category, even if that's not technically your job title. The E-1 and the E-2 visas are treaty investors and treaty trader visas. So if you want to invest money into the United States or conduct international trade between your home country and the United States, and your country happens to have one of those lovely treaties of commerce and friendship and navigation that gives you E-2 or E-1 visa access, talk to us. We'd be happy to help you apply for that E-1 or E-2 visa, and you could start your American dream and have a business here in the U.S. If there are other kinds of visas that you want to know about and you are not sure which one should work and I want to hire somebody or I want to be somebody who works in the United States, you don't have to figure it out for yourself. We got you. Schedule a consultation. It's only $250 and we'd be happy to answer all your questions about immigration, how you can make it work, what's your easiest path, and then that money gets applied towards your legal fees and we just help you do it all for you. Contact World One Law Group today.